Alright, so I moved over to the fuselage here, and I took the fairly large battery compartment cover off. And again, put my hand in here so you can get an idea. A couple of servos here, I believe that's nose gear retract, nose gear doors, and nose wheel steering all tightened up and down inside through that area. You can see the pilot figure. They've got him glued in a little bit cattywampus. He's not centered. It looks like he's countering some lateral G. Fairly wide fuselage here. I don't know exactly how wide it is yet, but bottom line, it's a pretty good size airplane, especially with the nacelles. One of the things I wanted to point out, no air intake cheater holes on the left side, which is nice. They're inboard, so you really won't see those when it's flying, which I'm kind of happy about. One difference between this and the Dynam kit, there's no navigation lights, which would have been a nice feature, but this kit was already a more expensive version. So anyway, a couple things of note. These were basically bypass holes in the original nacelle, and I've seen pictures where there's quite a bit of smoke and residue there, so I'm going to probably get my airbrush out and maybe put a little extra realism in there. We'll see. On the horizontal stabilizer coming back around here, carbon fiber rod, and basically the way this works, it's almost like a little mini box bar, but they tab together, and there's a receiving tab on the vertical. And they screw in here. There's a screw hole there, and they basically screw into this tab on the fin. So it'll go together very well. Two carbon fiber spars for the main wings. These are the plastic covers that go on over the wing, and they go in this slot right here basically. So when you put the screws through, it keeps the foam nice and tight and almost acts like a secondary mini spar. They give you all the wiring here, all the extra servo leads that you need. Basically they give you a little mini tool and a couple other nice things, and then a swastika that they don't put on for politically correct purposes that you can apply after the fact. So that's basically my initial thoughts on the kit. Very impressed. There's no damage to anything on here that I can see. May need to pop the little pilot guy out and re-glue him. That's a minor operation. And one thing that's nice is actually a full guy in there. He's got legs, and there's a full instrument panel down inside of there as well. So kind of nice, little extra realism. But as soon as I start the build project, I'll let you guys know.